from the well. FROMTHAWELL. All right, we are taking Thunder over here to the vet because his eye is messed up. There's something wrong with his eye. He's got something in there that's pussing up, and so we gotta take him to the vet so he can get looked at. Of course, the vet was weird because we called him and said, "Hey, can we take Thunder up there? Can we take our dog up there?" And they said, "Yeah."
Mind you, we pay pet insurance. We pay insurance for these dogs to go see that vet.
Yeah, and they sat there and they said, "Yeah, you can take him in Friday." Oh yeah, 3 days. Yeah, we want him to have that thing in his eye, or when the road's going on with his eye for 3 days. Yeah, that's it. It's like, okay, what about Thursday? Oh yeah, just 2 days. Yeah, they'll change the whole thing. Just having him sit with his eye, and then what it was? And it was just she said.
My mom.
She said something. She's like,
"Why
"Well,
don't we just let him lose his eye then?"
yeah, why don't we just let him lose his eye then?" It's like, "All right, well, bring him in tomorrow." Well, we had something open tomorrow. You should open that up right off the bat. Lay your head on shoulders. Going to the vet.
See his poor eye.
He looks excited. Just because his eye. Yeah. We're gonna get that fixed though. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna get that fixed, and it's gonna be all good. He's enticed by all the smells. Are there lots of smells? You smell stuff? There smells? Who is that? Who's the handsome? Now we are at the vet to get his cojones cut off.
His cojones are already cut off.
Well, to get the eye looked at. And hopefully, what was that? The car move. He's smelling all kinds of things. Super smelling. Yeah, messed up his eye. Were you trying to eat stuff with your eyeball? It's only for your mouth.
It's probably his. Okay, each dog has 3 eye lenses.
No.
One that they close on the outside, and then one that goes over the eye. They think that the one that goes over the eye is trying to come out, which can happen to boxers.
Really?
Yes, because they have such short snouts. The mucus is trying to get out somehow, and it tries to get out from the eye. That's why he always has that nasty slime crap in his eyeball. Like right now. I'm sorry. I have to. Just please, let me get an eyeball. Just
I know, it's crazy, right?
Stop. I can't even do it. See? Oh, your eyeball just blasted over.